Hi! This video is an introduction to me and my channel. This channel is mostly for my learning, but hopefully others will be able to benefit from it as well. I plan to teach a little bit of coding and touch on other IT subjects such as networking and security. The code that I will mostly be teaching is HTML, with a little CSS, some JavaScript, and Python. These have helped me immensely in my life and my career. I want to share what I've learned with others, as well as teach more myself because I learn best as I teach. About me. I'm Taylor Brown. I did my first coding in high school, where I learned a little about web development. In high school, I wanted to be a programmer, but after high school my plans changed and I ended up with a degree in environmental studies from Utah State University. However, I am now working on a degree in applied technology from BYUI, and I've come full circle back to the IT world. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. With more support, I can add more content so we can all learn more. Thanks!